Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Irish potato furls, also known as potato bread. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need rustic potatoes or leftover mashed potatoes, flour, butter, salt, and pepper. Begin by peeling and chopping your potatoes into cubes. Next, boil your potatoes for 20 minutes or until tender. Remove the potatoes from the pot, strain, and allow them to dry off slightly for 5 minutes. Place the potatoes into a sieve and mash them through. You can also use a potato ricer for this step. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix until you reach a smooth consistency. Add 3/4 cups of flour. Season to taste with salt and pepper. This can be done before adding the flour as well. Mix until you get a dough-like consistency. Flour a surface. Pat your potatoes into a circle. Cut into 4s. In a hot skillet, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add your potato furls and cook on each side for 5 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, Irish potato furls. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.